Today, we will talk about how to buy a car under a business name. Let's have a look at the details. In the United States, it's possible to get a car loan under your business name. You can't buy a car as a sole proprietor, but you can buy one as a limited liability company or as a corporation. To begin, you'll have to establish your business credit, which can take up to 2 years. The first step is establishing your business credit. Obtain a tax ID number. You'll need an EIN from the IRS to establish your business credit. Create a credit profile. Contact Dun & Bradstreet, which is the major credit bureau for businesses. You can create a profile and upload company information, such as financial statements. Build your business credit. It can take up to 2 years to build up enough credit for your business to qualify for a car loan. The second step is purchasing the car. Check your business credit score. Before heading out to a dealership, you should pull your business credit score from each of the 3 main credit bureaus, Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax, and Experian. Business credit scores range from 0 to 100. Find dealerships with commercial sale departments. These departments specially assist businesses to buy and register their vehicles. Stop into a dealership and ask if they have a commercial sales department, which can make buying the car easier. Choose an appropriate vehicle. For example, if you have a catering business, then buying a minivan might be appropriate. However, buying a sports car could raise red flags with the IRS. Provide financial information. Lenders will want to see a variety of financial information before extending a loan. For example, they might want to see financial records such as your business balance sheet. Finance in your company name. You can get a loan from the dealership, or you can shop around for a car loan from local banks and credit unions. Always remember to state that you are seeking a loan in your business name. Provide a guarantee for the loan. Your business credit might not be strong enough to get a loan only in your business name. Some lenders will ask you to sign a guarantee. This means you are personally responsible for the loan if your business stops making payments. Make regular payments on the loan. Always remember to use your business bank accounts to make payments on the car. If you make payments using personal accounts, then it looks like your business is a sham. And the third step is registering your car. Obtain insurance. If you use the car primarily for business, then you should look into commercial auto insurance. Register the car in your business name. Car registration differs depending on the state. You'll probably need to show that your business has been properly organized by providing copies of your articles of organization, or articles of incorporation. Keep a mileage journal, if necessary. You might be using the car for both business and personal use. If necessary, keep a mileage journal in which you note how much you drove for business purposes. Claim a tax deduction. The tax deduction rules are complicated and depend on whether you own the vehicle as an LLC, one-member LLC, corporation, or partnership. Consult with a tax professional for more information. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.